Ever noticed how a man's sneeze can echo across a room like a thunderclap? Men's sneezes are often louder due to their generally larger lung capacity and more robust vocal cords, allowing for a more powerful expulsion of air. This isn't just about volume, it's about technique. Many men unconsciously use their diaphragm more forcefully, adding to the dramatic effect. There's also a social aspect. Some men might not hold back as much due to cultural norms that don't discourage loud sneezes. It's a blend of biology and behavior, creating an auditory spectacle that can startle, amuse, or even annoy. So next time you hear that booming sneeze, remember it's a unique blend of anatomy and cultural expression.